warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Jannah News. A group of students from the International Islamic University Malaysia are undertaking a project that helps the community. A group of students consisting of Dzarrin Hafidz, Muhammad Zikry, Muhammad AdilHayat, Muhammad Khairi Idzham, and Izza Fauzi are students of Kulliyah of Engineering who make project for the community. The project, which is chaired by Dzarrin Hafidz, is based on Sustainable Development Goals number 12, where one of the targets is to achieve the sustainable management and efficient use of natural resources. This project itself is called Repair and Fix Broken Shower Head in Mahallah Farouq. As the name implies, this project aims to repair broken shower head in Mahallah Farouq bathroom with the aim of improving the bathing experience of the residents and maximizing the use of water when bathing. In addition, this project can also improve their engineering skills so that later they can be more useful for the community. Starting from the process of getting permit to local authorities, designing prototypes, assembling shower head until the installation process takes approximately 2 months. This is a video of shower head assembly and installation process. It is hoped that in the future this project will be able to inspire other engineers to be able to provide benefit to the community no matter how small. That's all the news report on this occasion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.